In this video, we will demonstrate how to print to your Arkscan Bluetooth label printer from the Easy Label app using your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and print a sample shipping label. Please note that these instructions may vary slightly depending on the version of your tablet or phone. It is also necessary that your Arkscan printer hardware be set up and with the labels installed. If you haven't already done so, please visit arkscan.com/setup for more information on how to get your printer hardware set up. Let's begin by making sure the printer is powered on, has a blue light on top, that your device has Bluetooth turned on, and is within close proximity to the printer. Open the Apple or Google App Store and search for the Easy Label app. Tap to download. After the app downloads, tap on Open. Agree to the terms of use. To show you how to print with the app, let's print a 4x6 sample shipping label. Now return to your phone's home screen. On the Android, please open a web browser and go to the website arkscan.com/sample to use our sample shipping label. Tap on Download when prompted, and then select the Easy Label app to open the PDF shipping label. On the iPhone or iPad, please open a web browser and go to the website arkscan.com/sample to use our sample shipping label. Tap on the Share button to choose which app to open the PDF file. Look for the Easy Label app that we just installed. You may need to click the More ellipses to find it in the list. Select the paper size that matches your label. For this example, we are using a 4" by 6" label. If your label size is not listed, tap on the Customize button to create the proper size. Tap Print, and then Bluetooth connection. The Easy Label app will auto-detect the printer in your area and list the printer's name in the All Devices section. If you do not see the Arkscan listed, try moving the printer closer to your device, ideally within 30 feet of each other. You can also try turning off and on the printer's power switch. To print, tap on the printer's name. It will prompt you for a PIN number. Enter the numbers 0000. Tap OK. And then tap the Print button. If a single label printed and fills up the entire label, your printer works properly. The next time you print, the Arkscan printer will be listed under the Recent Connections for easy use. If our content has been helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, where we will continue to offer free tips and help for our label printer users. And be sure to click that bell icon so that you'll be notified of our future releases. And please use the Add Comments section below to contact us with your questions or feedback. Thank you.